Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start on your phone by opening a browser and signing into your Microsoft account, the one that pays for Game Pass. Once signed in, tap the profile icon, then choose Account or My Microsoft Account. Make sure you reach Services and Subscriptions. This page lists active subscriptions so you can control billing immediately. Don't waste time navigating the Xbox app. The account portal is the direct route. Once there, pause to verify the subscription name and payment method. You now scroll to the Xbox Game Pass entry and confirm the plan type, console, PC, or Ultimate, because cancel options differ slightly. Once you tap Manage, the portal shows renewal date, next charge, and a button to cancel or to turn off recurring billing. Choose the option that fits your need. If you turn off recurring billing, you keep access until the end of the paid period. Canceling may prompt retention offers. Read the confirmation prompt, then accept to proceed. Finish by confirming the cancellation and watching for a confirmation email. This is your proof. Once done, make sure the status shows canceled or recurring billing off, and note the access end date. If you can't find Manage or the Cancel button, switch browsers or clear cache and sign in again. Sometimes the mobile site glitches. If billing still appears, check Microsoft Billing History and contact support with the confirmation email. Keep that message until you're sure charge is stopped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.